that the right fan?
Now you're rolling.
You gonna do a riding shot of you down in Roosevelt?
No. We're going straight forward.
Let's do I got a straight on, well, I got a straight on shot with Aaron, so we're good there. I'm a heavy angle. Yeah,
That way.
Let me see what kind of comment I can make now. Well, I went online, I got the thing, I started filling it out.
Oh.
It's like a 3-page information thing.
For what?
I don't know.
What is 3 pages worth of information worth?
I don't know, I put down that I own this, I was gonna put dynamic, but I said I'll put payless instead. And I forgot what my email was. Dynamic payless at Gmail. Wolf, yeah, at Gmail. I had to go look at it, I was like, what the hell is my email? Look how much I know.
We're going straight across at 45.
I know, still 45.
Right there, you want me to get the thing out?
I'll wait till he pays me then.
Now, I think you should have made the caliper chrome.
No, I can't put too much chrome on there. Yep.
Oh, look at that nice. Boom! Oh, shit!
It'll be the first time.
Yeah,
Will be for me.
I've caught one or two.
The bus is gonna pick up in 10 minutes.
Here?